Hawa jamaa walitoka huko Saiza Beach. Sasa vile walitoka huko Saiza Beach, waligonga mtu kwa barabara. Sasa walikuwa wanajaribu kutoroka. Ndio nilikuwa nafuata hao na pikipiki hadi hapa. Sasa ndio vile nilikuwa karibu kuwafikia nikapata kama already watema wamekosa accident hapa tena. Yeah.
Okay.
Wamegonga mtu.
I want to go the fish, but I don't know the car is go. I just go my lane, and the other car just come here. We just have. I mean, we have. So I vote, but they have a problem, but I also have a problem. We also have a problem each other. Yes. And some person steal our bag and our passport. So I can find some who steal our bag.
Which is your car?
The bag, black bag.
Which is your? Where is your car?
This one.
KDP.
But you have caused an accident.
This one. Yeah. So this one cannot drive. But, yeah, the back.
This boy, he has hit somebody with his car. Then he was trying to escape. That's why I was chasing him. And then he caused the accident here. Yeah.
Where did the accident imefanyikia wapi?
Nyamwari first. He hit somebody with a car. So I was chasing him. Hey.
Kwa barabara hapa Luanda kwetu. Karibu hata tuue. Vile ameingia tu hivi. Hata mwenye baiskeli. Yaani ni bahati tu na hawa. Tulikuwa tunashuhudia hivi. Direct.
Kwenye Nyamwari. Na mbio na pikipiki. Hadi hapa. Sasa kufika kwa lami hapa nilikuwa nampigia on.
Amekuwa amesahau.
Steal the bag. Someone steal our bag. We don't know why. We have a passport. The bag.
Ona, wewe jana ulipita jioni kutoka huko. Uliingia kwa barabara hadi gari ingine ikakufuata.
No.
Sai tena umefanya hivyo. Wewe.
My bag.
What's your name?
No. Hey, well, yeah.
What's your name? You still our wives here. Why are you making noise here? Well, let's check it.
In the back. Yes, in the back.
So your bag is there.
Oh, go.
Don't worry.
No, we have to check. We worry. Come on, protect us.
Go there and check with the officer there.
Your office?
Yeah. With the officer there. Man, don't drive when you drunk. Don't drive when you drunk.
Your bag is there, bana. Hey. Polisi ya utibage toke katetea.
Na walikuwa wanaepa, wamegonga mtu huko nyuma.
Boss.
Your bag is there.
No. Too far.
Can you tell us exactly what happened?
Just half.
Where did the accident?
Yeah, I go and the car is coming, and I shocked. And now I can. Everybody fighting me. They hitting me, and someone stolen our bag. Oh, you see, like this. And you see, and
So, where are you from?
Taiwan.
You're from Taiwan?
Yes.
Are you a tourist or you are?
No, I'm just traveling here.
You are traveling?
Yes.
Okay.
It's somebody tried hit me, and they
pick
want to give me. You want to charge me money? We say no. We go. Go. He will fight.
Just
fight. We're scary.
You understand? In the small village, the motorbiker coming, but I check. He's no problem, but they say money. That's why we wrong. That's happened this accident. Yeah. Okay.
I think the police will handle this.
Okay.
But we stop.
Can you check your bags and your passports if everything's okay?
But
no,
my bag,
I don't know.
I don't know where my bag is.
Where's the bag?
So I can take
Yeah.
my
Where's
bag.
the police?
Why?
Go and ask the police where your bags are.
Where's the police?
I think the police is over.
Sorry. Yeah, we are in police. Yeah, we are in the police.
hapa kuna ajali ambayo imetokea hapa. Kuna gari ambazo ziko mbili hapa ambazo zimegongana, and we are trying to understand the situation here. Kuna watu wamenyoka. Hii ni barabara ya kuelekea Kisumu. Kuna ajali mbaya barabara ambayo imefanyika pale. Gari mbili zimegongana. Kuna watu ambao wamepata majeraha mabaya. And gari moja ilikuwa inaendeshwa na watalii na ingine ni ya wenyeji. Kuna watu wa bodaboda ambao walikuwa wanataka kuleta shida hapa, lakini askari wameingilia katikati. Hii ni Kenya News Alert TV.